Changzhou HUI TING Machinery Co. Limited is a modern high-tech enterprise which integrates research and development, manufacturing and sales. HUI TING Machinery is specialized in producing CNC wire forming equipment. With a strong R&D team, we have made a breakthrough of wire forming technologies by solving various difficulties, and we have developed superior high-precision CNC wire forming equipment compared to international competitors. We have workshops area up to 18,000 square feet and a D center area up to 5,000 square feet. From R&D, machining, parts processing, bench working, electrical parts assembling to debugging, we do all these in-house. We follow a strict ISO 9001 quality management methods to ensure every piece of our machine parts are qualified, stable and durable. Our machines are exported to all over the world. We provide customers with best after-sales services and technical support 24/7. Our machines are mostly applied to automotive wire parts, home hardware, machinery wire parts, furniture wire parts and so on. For example, the car seat wire frames, supermarket wire display, kitchen hardware, office chair frame, etc. Up till now, HUI TING Machinery has achieved great accomplishment in wire bending automation equipment. More than 20 patents, many software copyrights and market access certificates. We keep developing new equipment and exploring new application fields, leading the industry. Also, we have the faith of leading China intelligent manufacturing to the world by perusing the ideas of customer first and foremost, great quality, great services.